Hello, everyone. My name is Mia. I am 25 years old. I live in a small town with my family. I love learning English and sharing my life with you. Today, I want to tell you about my family. They are very important to me, and I know you will enjoy meeting them. You will learn new words and sentences about family and practice your listening and speaking in easy English. Stay with me until the end, and you will speak more confidently. Ready? Let's meet my family. My mother, Anna. She is gentle and always caring. My mother works as a school teacher. She wakes up early, makes breakfast for us, and helps me with my English homework. At the weekend, she likes to bake cookies. I love her chocolate chip cookies. They are delicious. My father, David. He is tall and calm. My father is an engineer. He designs buildings. After work, he plays guitar. Sometimes he teaches me a simple song. I feel happy when we play music together. My brother, Leo. He is 10 years old. Leo is playful and energetic. He plays soccer after school. Sometimes he teaches me new soccer moves. We also help each other with video games. He laughs when I make a funny mistake, and it makes me smile too. My sister, Emma. She is 5 years old. Emma is very curious and creative. She likes to draw pictures of animals. She often draws a cat with a big smile or a yellow sun. She shows me her pictures and says, "Look, Mia." I always say, "Very good." My grandmother, Grandma Mary. She is kind and wise. She tells me stories about when she was young. She says, "When I was your age," and I listen carefully. She also knits scarves for me in winter. I feel very warm with her around. That is my family. Mother Anna, Father David, Brother Leo, Sister Emma, and Grandma Mary. We spend time together every day. On weekday mornings, my mother makes breakfast while my father reads the news. My brother Leo enjoys reading the newspaper and sometimes helps set the table. My sister Emma draws pictures at the table. We talk and laugh together before starting our day. On Saturday afternoons, we go to the park. We walk, play ball, or feed the ducks. My grandmother likes to walk slowly and talk about flowers. Emma picks a small flower and gives it to her. Leo often runs fast and laughs. I hold my father's hand and say, "This is fun." Every Sunday evening, we sit in the living room. My father plays a gentle song on the guitar. My brother and sister listen. My grandmother tells a short story from her childhood. My mother gives us hot chocolate. Together, we feel calm and happy. Now it's your turn. Let's practice some simple sentences. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. My mother is a teacher. My father plays guitar. My brother plays soccer. My sister draws pictures. My grandmother tells stories. We go to the park together. We feel happy and connected.